Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can remove your Gmail address from unwanted website. So everyone is concerned about their privacy and they want to be secure in their digital world. So you are in the right place. So in today's video, I am going to tell you how you can remove your Gmail address from the unwanted website. So there are multiple ways. First, you are going to list down all your website. Once you have listed down your website, this website can be also like your online store, social media platform, wherever you have registered with your Gmail address. So once you have listed down your website, what you are going to do, you are going to go log in that account and you are going to go in their profile, and there you can update your Gmail address or you can unsubscribe also. Second, when you can go to their Gmail box, and there you can search with the like whatever the unwanted websites are sending you email, like they can have like confirmation or welcome, all those things. Search with that, click on that email, and you can unsubscribe from there also. This is the second way. And sometime what happen, once you log in your website, wherever you have registered with the Gmail address, you cannot deactivate it. So what happens, sometimes you have to request them, you are going to call them or email them that want to disable my account or delete my account. But wait, here we are not going to do this. What we are going to here, the very quick and easy way, and in this way you are going to get how you are going to know what all the websites are associated with your Gmail address. So first of all, you have to go to the google.com. Here you are going to log in with your Gmail address. Once you log in the Gmail address, what you are going to do, here you go to their profile. Once you click on that, you are going to click on the manage your Google account. So after this, you are going to go in the security. Then you are going to go here down the your connection to third-party apps and services. Once you go here, this will tell you whatever the web services or apps you are connected using your Gmail account. You are going to click on that, and whatever the website you want to remove receiving the email, you can go, and let's say I can go Luma Air. I will click on here and then click delete all a connection you have with Luma Air. Once you can delete it, so you have to click one by one and click confirm. So once you confirm, this association with your Gmail address will be deleted. So let me delete it for time being. So you are going to do it step by step. You are going to select all the website or services, website or store website. Click here and remove your account from this service. This is the quickest way. In this, you don't need to list down all your websites or find out you are using your Gmail box. Here you can get it directly with your Google account, whatever the sites or services we are using with the Gmail address. So similarly, one more, I will take CRX and click on delete all connection you have with CRX. So this is how you can remove all the unwanted website from your Gmail address, and you will stop. You will see you don't have the much notification from this website afterwards. I hope you find this video very helpful. If you like and subscribe, we are going to give you more such video in the future. Thank you.